How to fix Instagram login error easily and fast. Hello guys, welcome back to this new video. I'm gonna show you how to fix the Instagram login error easily and fast. First thing you wanna do is open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps and now you have to wait a few seconds. Click on Instagram. Now click on this option to stop running the app in the background of your phone. After that, click on the storage, click on clear cache, and if you don't want to lose the data, don't worry, you won't lose any data by clicking on clear cache. Now go back and restart your phone and reopen Instagram. That's it for today's tutorial. Don't forget to like, subscribe.